Hi, this is James Stelmack with Empire Network Realty. Today we're in Wesley Chapel, Florida. We're in a community developed by Pulte Homes called Vidas Way. We're going to be taking a look at 4 of their models, all of these models behind us. Keep in mind, I don't work for a builder. I represent buyers like you who are searching for a new home. But what I'm known for is real estate with a rebate. I rebate half of my commission back to my buyers for the closing cost. It's thousands of dollars you don't have to pay because I paid on your behalf. So enjoy the beautiful models. If you have any questions, give me a call, 321-287-8263, or hit the link below, realestatewitharebate.com. Enjoy this beautiful model. Thank you.